All right, this is the package I've been waiting for. And so we've got the fairing there, so on and so forth. Packed in super nice. That looks like the windshield for the fairing. Take that off in a minute. Get to it. And here's the sides of the fairing. We open these up, show you guys. There you go. Start to take out the fairing itself. You can see how it's gonna go together. There's the windshield. Super nice. Super stoked to get that on the bike, and these pieces all will connect together. And this is the kind of the main guts of the fairing and the GPS mount up there. This mounts to the front. And then this is kind of on the back part for the fairing. And this is the headlight pieces for the headlights of the fairing. All right, we're going to try to tackle this front fairing. So there's the stock situation. And then we got a bunch of parts here to put together, and everything I showed already is all the pieces that I need for it. We got the mask off, a lot of wires, so hopefully we'll figure out where to put those back. But yeah, speedo's off. So yeah, that's the stock mask there, that's out of there. And then, you know, speedo and ABS sensor or ABS switch, and then the neutral, oil light, you know, all the instrument lights. And then there's the tower, so that's where everything's going to mount. Speedo, you know, everything. Kind of watching their little guide to get it all put together. All right, there's the dash. Looking good. Get this thing put on the bike. All right, little update. We're getting the tower hooked on now to the frame, so it just kind of ties in around this front tube with bolts, and then you know, starting to put all the wires back together. So really not that complicated. They're all unique plugs, so you just have to kind of figure out how you want to do it. It's my GPS cradle, which is going to go, you know, up here, probably bolted on. Anyway, so making progress getting this tower put on. Getting the headlights put on, and got the wiring all figured out, and GPS up here, got that mounted. And I had to spend a little more time because this cable wasn't long enough where I had it up here before, and that set me back. I had to take the tank, pop that off, and get underneath it where I had that wire where I could extend it underneath. So we got that worked out, and we're moving forward here with getting the mask put on now. So, or the just kind of the outer pieces of the fairing will be put on next. So getting there, moving along. All right, she's all done. It's looking pretty evil. A little dark in here, hard to see it, but it's looking awesome. Amazing. Got it all, probably took me 3 times as long, but got it all done. Got the GPS on there. Got the fuel tank up front with the rally fairing. This is the other side of it. There. And yeah, definitely stoked to get this. So let me show you how the lights work. So let me flip it on here and show you. Bam. Have to get it in some better lighting, but you see there. Got to get those lined up, but yeah, definitely going to do the trick at night. And then up on the dash here, got all your instrument cluster, and see if I can get this open. That's the USB port deal that comes with it. So that's nice. So she's all dialed in the GPS. You turn that on. Anyway, yeah, that's the GPS I use. How it works. And so anyway, that'll be nice to have that right up front. So I'll have to get that adjusted to where I want it exactly, because I haven't tightened the screws yet, but she's all dialed in. So ready for the tour season, and man, ready for some BDRs and some dirt. Anything you can throw at this thing, it'll do highway as well. It's got a really smooth engine, so definitely excited about the craftsmanship of this tower and this Rade garage stuff. Super nice. Anyway, that's kind of on me. Yeah, like I said on the install, I just like to take my time, get everything right, and read a lot of different instructions to make sure I get everything correctly installed. So it's dialed in, ready to take it for a spin.